It's the time of the year when people get into planning for the next year, for 2025 जो अभी आएगा, क्या लोगों ने करना है, क्या चीज़ें प्लान करनी है. A lot of people start making vacation plans from now only. Some people make plans to work on themselves from a very personal perspective, individual perspective कि जी हमने fitness अपनी बेहतर करनी है, हमने इतना एक सेट टारगेट अचीव करना है फाइनेंशियली, या वेट गोल्स अचीव करने हैं, या नई चीज़ें ट्राई करनी है, नए मुल्क देखने हैं. तो काफ़ी इस तरह की चीज़ें होती हैं. पीपल मेक इट्स दैट टाइम ऑफ ईयर व्हेन रेजोल्यूशंस स्टार्ट कमिंग आउट लेफ्ट राइट एंड सेंटर. आई फील दैट रेजोल्यूशंस आर अ गुड थिंग टू हैव बिकॉज you do set yourself goals that you want to achieve in the coming year. आप अपने लिए कुछ एम्स क्रिएट करते हो कि इस साल में मुझे क्या चीज़ें करनी हैं, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली लाइफ इज़ फाइनाइट and life is very unpredictable. And for a lot of people, I'm sure, including myself, 2024 didn't necessarily always go as planned, and that happens in life. कभी किसी का इस साल वो हुआ होगा, कुछ लोगों का शायद उससे पिछला साल ऐसा गया होगा कि जो उन्होंने सोचा हो या जो चीज़ें सोची होंगी वो उस तरह नहीं हुई होंगी. Life doesn't always work out that way. But nonetheless, even with the curveballs that do come your way, it is always good, especially at the start of the year, to have some plans in place, to have some goals for yourself. कुछ aims होने चाहिए, कुछ चीज़ें आपने अचीव करनी हैं, कुछ आपने अपने अंदर बेहतरी लानी है, अपने लाइफस्टाइल को बदलना है, अपने पर्सनैलिटी में कुछ, अगर इफ़ यू फील स्ट्रांगली that there's something in your personality that you need to work on, तो इस तरह की चीज़ें लोग as a part of their resolution करते हैं. I think it helps you. If you're serious about it, if you're committed towards it, then it can add a bit of structure to you, to the way you approach the year, to the way you approach whatever things that you need to work on. You try and see, what are the kind of things that you do need to do in order to achieve whatever it is that you want to achieve. Life can be funny. आपको हमेशा सीधी एक वो नहीं मिलती path. You can get curveballs, you can get obstacles in the way, challenges आते हैं. And in a lot of cases, it also happens in a way where things happen जो आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं होती. Sometimes आप अपना 100% भी देते हैं तो external factors कुछ होते हैं, external forces होती हैं, because of which you're not going to be able to achieve what you want to achieve. It's beyond your beyond anything you can do. It's out of your hands. But वो जब होता है तो फिर one thing that helps me is that you need to have a very strong faith that Allah is the best planner for everything, including us. So अगर कोई चीज़ नहीं हो रही है आपके 100% देने के बावजूद, तो उसमें यकीनन कोई ना कोई बेहतरी होगी, यकीनन अल्लाह ने कोई बेहतर आपके लिए प्लान किया हुआ होगा. सो वो एक चीज़ आपको हमेशा अपने दिमाग में रखनी चाहिए, so that while it is good to have resolutions and it is good to be focused on them and try to do everything that you can to achieve them, your resolutions shouldn't become a burden for you. They shouldn't be what defines you as a person. They shouldn't be what they should drive you, but they shouldn't drive you to the point of कह लें एक तरीके से कह लें कि मतलब इंसानिटी, या इतना बर्डन आपने ऊपर बना लिया उस चीज़ का कि फिर बाकी चीज़ें आपकी उसकी वजह से इफेक्ट होना शुरू हो जाएं. यू शुड स्टिल मेक रेजोल्यूशंस, गिव इट योर 100%, एंड देन लीव द रेस्ट अप टू अल्लाह, फॉर ही इज़ द बेस्ट प्लानर. एंड जो भी होता है उसमें, जो हम मतलब बचपन से सुनते आए हैं, मैं खुद उसका बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीवर हूँ. Whatever happens, happens for a reason. And I have this faith that Allah will always have something better planned for you, or Allah is saving you from something that is not good for you. You should always try to keep resolutions. You should work towards it. शुरू में रखेंगे रेजोल्यूशन को, ज़रा एक अच्छे कमिटमेंट के साथ रखेंगे, रियलिस्टिक होकर रखेंगे, then you would also be able to figure out what are the kind of things that you need to do. आप अपना एक प्लान बना सकते हैं in order to achieve that. About कुछ भी हो सकता है. It can be work related resolutions, it can be personal life related resolutions, it can be individual family, मतलब मुख्तलिफ चीज़ें हो सकती हैं. ट्रैवल के प्लान्स हो सकते हैं कि भाई आपने रिजॉल्व करा हुआ है कि आई एम गोइंग टू सेव एन एक्स अमाउंट ऑफ मनी एंड आई एम गोइंग टू ट्रैवल टू, I don't know, Turkey, Vietnam, whatever destination that you want to go to. It can be lifestyle choices as well. फिटनेस आपको अपनी बेहतर करनी है, अपीयरेंस बेहतर करनी है, वेट को बेहतर करना है, हेल्थ को अपनी बेहतर करना है, बेटर स्टैमिना, बेटर एबिलिटी टू डू फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़, कोई स्पोर्ट्स आप टेकअप कर लें, एक्सरसाइज की रूटीन एक बना लें, बेटर ईटिंग लाइफस्टाइल एक अपना क्रिएट कर लें, बेटर चॉइसेस दैट यू मेक फॉर योर बॉडी, फॉर योर माइंड एंड फॉर योर स्पिरिट. So yeah, it's always good to have resolutions, with that caveat that sometimes things won't always go as you plan. If I talk about myself, one of the big things that I want to do is, and something that in the last few months I've been able to do in a much more um, regular way, in a much more consistent way, is keep up my exercise without any breaks, without any prolonged breaks. क्योंकि मैं पिछले 2-3 साल से I've been going to the gym, doing personal training, but because of one thing or the other, I've not really been able to commit to it or continue it in long patches. I do it for 3-4 महीने करता हूँ, फिर बीच में किसी वजह से वो ब्रेक आ जाता है, कभी वो लंबा ब्रेक हो जाता है. So like 1 or 2 years back, I suffered an injury, मैंने एक fracture हो गया था, because of which I couldn't continue the exercise, and that laid me off the exercise for a couple of months. तो एक बहुत बड़ा gap आ गया था मेरे लिए. फिर उसके बाद लास्ट ईयर कुछ चीज़ें हुई जिसकी वजह से आई couldn't again continue with it. So कुछ ना कुछ होता रहता है. So this year, God willing, if all things stay in my control, one of my aims is to continue with my exercise regimens. One of my core passions is writing. It comes very naturally to me, and I love writing. And writing में fiction इतना नहीं लिखता, but it's more like a blog. So I love blogging. And blogging is, for me, talking about anything that might come into my mind that I want to talk about, that I want to write about. So it can be a movie, it can be about a book, it can be about the political situation in the country, current affairs हो सकते हैं, sports हो सकते हैं, cricket हो सकता है. It can be about philosophy, life में जो different hurdles आते हैं, life में challenges आते हैं, different चीज़ें होती हैं. So I love writing, and one of the things that I want to do, improve on, is, and continue improving on, is the frequency with which I write. I want to increase that frequency, and I want to also expand my horizons. कि अभी जो मैं जिस तरह की चीज़ों के ऊपर लिखता हूँ, I want to further expand myself and write about even more things. Third thing that I want to do is music, which is another one of my passions. I want to further improve myself. Obviously, I'm not a master at the instrument I play, but हमेशा एक कोशिश मेरी रही है पिछले 2 साल में to try and continue improving myself, improving the way that I record, improving the way that I play, improving the kind of songs that I try to cover with my guitar. तो उस चीज़ को मैं और भी बेहतर करना चाहूँगा इस साल में. And of course, I want to try and come out with more original stuff, write more original songs, and hopefully they're good, and people who listen to them also enjoy it. The last thing is that I want to commit further to this channel that I've started. I really want to make sure that I stay committed to it. I keep churning out some sort of content, not out of force, but I need to make sure that I stay the course, ताकि एक चीज़ जो एक आउटलेट मैंने स्टार्ट किया है उसको मैं बरकरार रख सकूं, और उसमें मैं डिफरेंट किस्म की वीडियोस बनाना शुरू कर दूं. अभी तक, like I said, I've just been focused on cricket only, but that was because of the way the cricket season was going. It was quite packed, but hopefully I can like this video, I can start making other content and talk about other things as well outside of cricket, topics like food, movie reviews, book reviews, life के ऊपर videos, जो भी मेरी एक सोच है, opinion है. So yeah, that is why I originally started this channel also. But yeah, those are my resolutions, and a happy new year to everyone. I hope everyone who's watching, who sees this video, I wish you all a very good, prosperous, and successful 2025. I wish कि आप लोग सबके लिए जो भी आप लोगों ने अपने लिए सोचा हुआ है, whatever goals you want to achieve, whatever things that you want to do, you are able to do them, and you are able to achieve them if that is in what is best for you. Have a wonderful new year. Celebrate well with your loved ones, and take care.